Alright guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to solve these issues of identity verification error on Amazon KDP. This is very important to know this. So I've already made a video on this. In case this is your first time of coming to my channel and you've not verified your own, just go straight and watch this video. I'll leave the link in the description how to verify your KDP account, and I've already made a video one time about why we couldn't verify your KDP account. I made the second video, but this third one is will be more let me just say we have more detailed explanation, because over time I've seen reason why people couldn't verify. So I just want us to state this, and in case you have not received your message for verification, yours is good, it's going to come. There is no need to panic. When it comes, just watch this and verify. If you're facing issue, just keep on watching. So I'm going to mention 6 things, and I think the last one is even the most important one, but I think you should know the first, second, third, fourth to get to the last place of this. The first thing I will tell you is ensure you are not using VPN. This is a very important one. When we talk about VPN, we mean virtual private network. You know different kind of VPN we use. When we come to VPN now, we come here and just search for VPN. You're going to see different kind of VPN. What I think VPN do is VPN does not just change your IP, but it makes you to connect to a better, stronger network. So when it comes to verification, it's based on location. So immediately you choose a VPN, for example, any VPN like Windscribe or any of these, it changes your location. Let's say you're in Africa, you're in Nigeria precisely, and you're trying to verify you're connected to London. You might be facing issue. They might tell you the passport you choose is not the same as, in case you get this kind of message, just know that is because of a VPN. Just go and turn it off. That is very what important. So ensure you turn off your VPN. In case yours is not on, just off your phone and restart it. Connect to a 3G network or a 4G network and ensure your network is very strong when doing this. There's no need for VPN in case. So the second option, which I think is very important, which I'll list, is ensure you are not choosing the wrong country or document. Yes, a lot of us don't know the difference between document. We just go there and the top section, we don't even want to check what's there, whether the country we selected or the right document. So over here we have different kind. In North American, you can see what is needed, but this video, I think majority of us watching it will be from Africa. So when we move down to Africa, let's just run down to Africa here and see something. Europe. So we're going down faster. Let's just would have clicked the link. Asia is the China. This is Australia and Oceania. Okay, this is Africa. This is our own for Algeria users, for Angola publishers. We're going straight to Nigeria, which is N. So we're coming straight to Nigeria. You can check your country. If it's not, you can see in Nigeria we have 4 here. So ensure you choose your country as Nigeria and pick the passport. Mind you, the difference between national ID card and national slip. So if you're using your slip, you might be lucky, it might work, but on a scale of 1 to 50, only 10% goes for this. So ensure you're using the main card, which is the plastic card. You can go to a cyber cafe and get your own done. It's easy to do. It's not a big task at all. Very easy to do. So no need panicking, no need doing. So just go there. This is called the international passport. We already know what international passport. You can go to immigration, and if you want to do your own, it can take time. But if you have a voter's card, you can as well use that very well. So ensure you're using the right passport or the right ID card for verification. So I haven't mentioned the first one here, which I said is this. Then we'll talk about the second one, which is this. We're going to the third one. Ensure your ID is very clear. Just like as you can see this video, very clear. Ensure your ID is very clear. Increase the contrast, increase the brightness, and make sure it's bright. Some people even say that you should go and put it on a plain background and snap. Well, I didn't say you should do that, but you can just hold it in your hands, go to a bright place, a well-illuminated place, and take your picture. So you can just enhance your photo and say photo enhancer and see if there is any app like that, and just try to enhance the image. If you can use Photoshop, you can use any other software, just upload it and take it. Or you can take a good camera like Samsung, or you can use an iPhone, or if you're Android like depending Infinix, Techno, any of these, or Redmi you're using is good enough. Ensure you're using a good megapixel. Take it very well. Ensure everywhere is bright. Don't be putting light on the ID. Ensure it's totally bright. Snap it very well, and you are good to go. So there is nothing to panic or worry about. So now we've talked about ensure your ID is very clear. We're going to go to the next important way is ensure your ID has a QR code. If you are using the NIN plastic or the voter's card, ensure it has a QR code. Yes, you already know what QR code is. Let me explain QR code a bit. For example, now you have a passport. Let's just come here and just search something for like ID. Let's just say okay, national ID passport. So let's just see national ID. Let's just see the images here. You can see here this does not have a QR code. This might not be good enough. So I advise you go for one that has Nigerian national ID. I'm trying to look for one that has QR code because all these are important, very, very important. They have it. Yes, I'm trying to look for one exactly. Or let me just write national ID card. National ID card. Let's see what comes. Okay, we're still having this, I'm going to scroll down till I get the exact one I'm looking for. Okay, this is the exact one I'm looking for. Yes, you know one thing about the QR code. This QR code contains your information. So what Amazon does is immediately you upload it, they use the OCR, which is called the optical character reader, to scan through the passport and see what is written here. They might not be able to read what is here, but they want to know which name is in this place. So ensure your own have, because if it does not have, you might be facing issue. You get, I always say ensure it has, because some people don't have their own went through. Why majority that don't have, they failed. You get. So this is very, very important. You do that. So your voter's card, if it has good, if you're doing on the cyber cafe, I'm saying this because of those guys going to the IT shop to print it. Ensure they put the QR code. Let it not just be a design, but ensure it's functional. And I will tell you how to make it functional in the next one, which I will be explaining as well. So over here, let your name be arranged properly as it is on your KDP dashboard. Yes, this is very, very key. Ensure it's well arranged on your KDP dashboard. Sometimes your name might be 3 and you're on your Amazon KDP dashboard, you're just having 2 names. Just like you can see here, I have having 2 names on my dashboard, which is Augustine Ogbodo. So when we are having this name here, you want to, if you're having 3, ensure your first name, you put your first name and your middle name in when you identity your identity. Then at your surname, ensure your surname. Remember your name come before your surname. So ensure it's well arranged in your dashboard. This is very, very key. This is very, very key. So now we have the last one here, which is the most important one, is use a QR code scanner to see your name arrangement. Yes, this is very, very key. Very, very key. What is QR code? For example, go to any site to generate QR code. We can generate QR code with URL, vCard, test. Now, if I come here now and I say I want to generate test, I want to create a QR code where anyone who scan that QR code will be able to see. I might say, okay, my name is Len Digital. Please subscribe. All right, if you're just watching this video, I want you to hit the subscription button because it's very important as well. And at the end, please share and like this video. So let's say my name is Len Digital, which is very, very this. Then I might just come down here and say create one. You can see. So let's say I've created one now, and it's going to just look like this, and you might decide to use this kind of format. You can see scan me. It means anyone who scans this will have automatic access to my name. So let's say I put URL here and I call www.google.com. That means anyone who scans this QR code is going to take them directly to this site called www.google.com. So ensure it's arranged. How do you know it's arranged? Go straight to the Play Store, or if you are using the Apple Store, go and search for QR and barcode scanner. Download it. When you download it, take your passport, put it on the ground, just take the scanner, open the scanner immediately you've installed it on your phone, then just look at the QR code in your passport. It's going to tell you the name in there. Maybe your surname is replaced with your first name. All you have to do is just go straight to your KDP dashboard and change the name so that it matches very well. It's very, very important. I believe all this I've said, it's very, very key, and you've learned so well. If you have tried the first, second, fourth, fifth, sixth option, then you should have solution. But at the case where you're facing this one, your account is already terminated and you just saw this video, you can still appeal. Yes, tell Amazon, I'm sorry, I was trying to get information, trying to get the necessary documents for verification. Please give me another chance, reinstate my account. On a scale of 100, 90% I've gotten the account back because this really, really works. Just appeal and tell them if it's termination issue. Yes, it's very. And at the place where you've already failed and they said we cannot verify, therefore we are going to terminate your account. I already said this in this video what to do. I said it's so simple. Watch this video here. I'll tell you how to go about it. If they don't give you option to verify again, you are going to live chat them, and I said it in this video and I showed how you can live chat them. Then finally on this video, we have a community on WhatsApp, a very rich community on WhatsApp, which is really, really functional. Currently you can see we are already 580 members in it. You can see we have Quillbot premium food tutorial. That means everyone have access to it. You can use Quillbot and you just enjoy the benefit of Quillbot just in one click. All right, then we have other things, the other benefit in the group. You can have access to BookBeam, Grammarly, ChatGPT 4.0, Gemini Advanced, and Canva Pro, and so much more. But it's only possible when you subscribe to this channel, you share to your friend, and you drop a nice comment. In case you were able to get yours done, you can drop at the comment and say mine was successful. If you are facing issue, check the channel, at least the channel. You will see my link there that tell you how to chat me up. Yes, you can see the link here. Just chat me up and I will tell you how to go about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video as well. Bye for now.